Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I will be doing something great. Be um I will be talking about scammers. Yeah, be right back. So yes, for the people that play Animal Jam, like new jammers and stuff that don't know about scammers, they are people who try and trust trade you, and then after you get to trust trade, then um for like so basically trust trading is like something that they don't want for like something that they want. um so you trade it to them for something else, and then you trade to them and accept, then they go to their den or leave the game. Yeah, um that's what basically a scammer is, and what trust trading is. So a scammer is someone that tries to take your stuff by actually not by actually trading it fair. So like if I wanted a blackout spike, right? And and I had a classy vest, they would trade me the they would actually trade me the blackout spike for the um for for the for the tie. And I mean the what is it called? I don't know. I'm just gonna say tie. And yeah, that's the bad thing about that, is when that happens, or it either doesn't end up in doing that by trust trading, or they might ask if you want if they can try it on. But but this is a little tip, guys. Don't you dare. I mean, don't you dare do it. Don't you dare say yes, because you just made the wrong mistake. Because that might be one of your greatest goodies, and you might have just traded it to a scammer, and it will be gone forever. And luckily for me, I never got scammed before. I mean, never. So that would be that's pretty lucky for me. No one's ever gone up to me and said, "Hey, can I try on your double tail or your rainbow scarf or your ibex horns?" Yeah, no one has ever said that. Your um or your Jolliday spike um or your blue and yellow spike. Yeah, no one has ever said that to me before. So yeah, I am super happy about that. So um and also yeah. So jammers, um these people have to stop. I mean it, because we need to stand up for people. We don't know who to trust, your friends, your best friends, or not. Because your best friends might actually be scammers, and they might actually not be your friends. Because best friends actually do give you are in real life. But wait, hold on, guys. Pause it right there. Did she just? Wait, but did she just? I think that she just reported me. And actually, guys, I actually did get reported before, but I never got banned. And the dumbest reason happened because of that. Like, why did you report me? That's what I said. And it was like in the deer place. It was like always drama in there for some reason. And in there, he said because I was stupid. I was stupid. I was trying to save someone that was recording. And they said that they were gonna they're gonna kill themselves. Hold on, guys. Right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I don't remember the part that you left off at, but like, I'm sorry I moved to another location. It was because my other people were bothering me about trading for my rainbow scarf, so I exactly couldn't do the video. So yeah, I'm sorry about the music in the background. That's from the den, and scammers, they literally, it's not their fault. When they start, they cannot stop. So AJHQ, you know what you need to do if you're watching this video. You have to go on Animal Jam and play this game and go and try and find scammers by doing this. Going to the earth and going on the houses. Go to everyone's houses. This might be a daily, yes. And you might want to record it so everyone can watch it. And actually, I've seen someone get scammed. Actually, you heard it, and it was one of my friends, my buddies. So please, if you're watching this video and if you're a scammer, please stop it. You're not only hurting the people that you're scamming. You're even hurting yourself, because you know later you're going to get caught and you are going to get banned. So you know that you are going to get banned, and you're getting banned for your own reason and because you're scamming. So please stop. Don't be a scammer. Be a jammer. Yeah, that's what you had to be. And guys, I actually wish that if anyone has seen that video about the update about the courts and Animal Jam, the old the computer version, well, guess what? I want it in this version. So to people who go get scammed, they can go to the courts with the scammer. It might be a hard time being to talk because some things will be blocked out, like if I say you. Oh, hold on. Like love. Well, wait, okay, wait. I love you. That is. I shouldn't say that. It could get upset, or it could upset someone or get me in trouble. Yes, that's what you should do, or the courts. So these are some things that you could do in Animal Jam. So number one, you can add a trading system. So every trade that you do has to be fair. So like if you do like an unfair trade, it will just automatically go to something that's fair. Yes, and before that happens, is that are you sure that you want to change it to something fair? You should actually add that. But remember, guys, be a jammer. Don't be a jammer, and don't be a scammer. Be a jammer. Ferocious Spirit Hollow out.